So a quick overview of the Repscanner. This is essentially a keyword and domain finding tool. It does work in several countries. You can see we have Canada, Australia, UK, Ireland, and New Zealand. Those basically change your geographical search criteria as well as the domains it finds. This is how it works for you. So you put in a city name and then a negative keyword, which this one's the most common, is complaints. So I put Scottsdale complaints. I do start search. It's going to find all the negative phrases based on the Google instant search results. So it's going to give you the most popular ones. You can sort these by popularity to see which ones are getting the most geographically specific search number of searches. So, like Scottsdale Law Group, I'm assuming is a law firm or something. So the other thing you can do is, a lot of these have, this tells you whether the exact match domain name is available. That's a critical part of pre-ranking a site or ranking a site for somebody, because the basic concept of this is to find the problem and provide the solution at the same time. A lot of reputation software and a lot of reputation training talks about finding the problem or finding the solution. This does both in one piece of software. And I can tell you between you and me that .org domains tend to rank faster than .coms in my experience. So if I'm going to do a search, I probably want to do a search that includes the .org, and this software will actually find all the available results for you there. So in this case, you can see there's a lot more domains that, well, in this case, just one that has, not a .com, but it does have .net and .org. Honestly, I would typically register the .org first. So one of the things you can do, these are hyperlinks, so you can click this and it'll actually bring up the Google search result so you can see what comes up. So Scottsdale Capital Advisors, for example, have a rip-off report problem. This is exactly the kind of customer that you can help, because oftentimes these complaint sites, they don't have exact match domain names. They do have the title. You can see that they got the title, but they don't have the exact match domain names. And the exact match domain names, particularly the .orgs, will rank really quick. So what you can do is you can check this box and you can say register check domains, and it will take you to Namecheap, which is my favorite domain name service, and allow you to instantly register those in here. Whoops. So as you can see here, the .net and the .org are available, but .com is taken. So maybe somebody's already trying to help them, or maybe they're trying to help themselves. It's always good when they're trying to help themselves, because they typically will fail. So in a nutshell, this allows you to quickly find people that need help. You can do research by simply clicking on the link, and it'll bring up the search results page for you, and then you can find your exact match domain name. Now in the case study, we talk about how we use this tool step by step to actually find a client and close a deal using this tool entirely. So I think you'll find that very valuable, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.